Still smoothing and carrying on, but I can see where after this has been cured or baked, there may be a necessity to come back and add more clay in areas where if I tried to do it now, because the clay is so warm and we've got so many raw bits and pieces attached that are getting constantly ruined because of me sort of doing one thing, doing the other thing, and they're getting in the way and getting banged, I may have to come back and do it later after he's cooled down. Now we're going to attach the head. And as I said, again, the head is raw clay, so it's going to be difficult. Okay, this is the final part of it. So that's why it's always easier to, I suppose, as I said, pre-bake. I can see that this one's lost a lot of detail here as well. Pre-bake the parts and then add them to the unbaked. Anyway, we'll do that another one next time that way. At the moment, I just did it all unbaked and caused myself quite a bit of headaches. A little hole there. Okay. So, babies don't have great big long necks. In fact, they've got very short necks. So I'm just going to make him one. In the front, I have it a little bit lower to what I do to the back. So the baby's head's sort of coming forward rather than falling backwards when it's in silicone. Okay, so this is the wire I'm going to use to attach the head through the neck to the body. I've used this wire as armature wire as well. Now, I can't tell you what size it is. All I can tell you is it's very strong wire. Ouch, just jammed my hand. And not easy bended. But if I was going to give you a size, this is the best way, and that's how I did it as well, to get it. The size of a cocktail stick in thickness. That's what it is. Now, I got it from my local hardware store. I'm sure you can get it from just about any hardware store. And I don't know even what it's called. It's just in the section where they sell rolls of wire. So it would look something like this when you buy it. Just a roll of wire. Armature wire you could use, but I find it's not as strong as this one. So what I'm going to do, we'll get the little head, just get this body as far away from me as possible, that we've sculpted, and he's waiting to, join its body. And we're going to put this under and in the centre. And then, I'm hoping I'm not going to squash the head now. I just use my thumb and sort of blend this part of it into the head. Right, that's the way of joining it without leaving any seams. Okay, under here it's a little bit more difficult, so I just get my pin tool and just roll it up and under. Okay, now I am going to get the body again, just place his little head over there, and I'm going to get the wire I just showed you. I'm always finding mistakes, it's never ending. Just when you think you're done, you're not. Oh, dear. Sorry guys, got distracted with some mistakes that I've seen here now. And I don't know whether to go ahead and try and fix it now. That's about as fixed as you're going to get at this stage. Just have a look at this side. Those poor little feet, I'm going to have to look and see what damage I've done afterwards. Never again. I think next time I'll pre-bake, thanks. Less hassles. Like I did before. Okay. Oh, yeah, we squashed the belly. And we're going to put this in the centre. Don't forget there's the foil armature underneath. Makes it a little bit hard to put in, so I use this little pliers or whatever it is, I don't know. Certainly helps. Then I'm going to get the head and where the neck is, and I'm just going to make sure it's in the centre. And that's going to, that's something that always happens to me. I get too much neck. So, back to the drawing board when it comes to that. You can either take it off and cut the neck, which I think I'm going to do. I'm going to cut down that neck size. Excuse me. It's good I make mistakes because then you can see that even though I'm here to try and help you learn, I still make mistakes myself. You just need to know, you learn how to fix the mistakes you've made. And it is all trial and error. Okay, we'll go back into here. That wire has come down quite a ways. I just felt it going down. Anyway, it's not poked through, so that's a good thing. I was going to do a little spine bone, but no, too hot. Okay, so now it's a matter of getting that clay blended and the head attached to the body, and hopefully without too much damage to anything else. Okay, go to the front. I can see the body needs adjusting now again because of this. Okay, little one, we're nearly done with you. Bring the head, squeeze the head down, like that. Okay. Just go around the back. You can use this roller, as I call it. It's a knitting pin. You can use anything you want as a sculpting tool. It doesn't necessarily have to be labelled a sculpting tool, or anything really. If it does the job, then that's the right one for you. Okay, so we've got the head attached now. Laying him down, we need to make sure the head is sitting properly on the glass. I don't know whether you can see that. He's grown now and he's out of focus. So the head down flat, smooth where you've already made the little indents with handling him. I know my sinuses are bad again. You think we're in autumn now, so really I need a break from allergies. Oh, jeez. Anyway, okay. Just putting back what I've eliminated. And finally, we're going to do his belly button before I run out of memory again, or and legs down. It's also important. It's not just the head down. It's also the legs down. So you put your little head there. Uh-oh. And reiterate those details. And the belly button, with me again, it's just a guess. Eyeballing it again. And I estimate it to be in line, meaning in the middle, and lower down into the belly. Probably about there. I just break this down, blend it in. Okay. Okay. And then I get my stylus and sort of make a hole and just a little indentation to make it look like a belly button. I'm going to come back and show you the tray he's going on to get cured, to get baked.